Hey guys, it's Lyle and Nathan, and we're here at Venture Creek today. We're on the White River, and this is one of the first times we've been out on the river since lockdown has started. So today we're gonna go out, we're gonna have a couple pints, and we're just gonna enjoy our time. So we're up in northern Ontario. Our plan today is we're gonna go down the river. It has some lazy areas, some quick rapid areas, and then once we get to a beautiful swimming area, that's where we're gonna start cooking. We've got some steaks, burgers. I'm planning on doing a Philly cheesesteak. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. We also have a bunch of tubes with us, and we also bring extra just in case so that we can bring all of our gear. Ready? I think we're good. Cool. Amazing. Pretty nice, eh, Nate?
Yeah.
Woo. So the way of the river out here is we cruise for a while, we'll get to the good cooking spot, then we party island. It's pretty comfortable. So what's the date today, the 15th? Today we're June 15th. This is one of the earliest years we're able to go on to the river here while it's still warm. It's pretty amazing, to be completely honest.
So we're about to hit the rapids. Me and Lyle ready. Steph's ahead. Sounds like she's having some fun up there. And there are a couple of sharp sticks coming on around the curves and a couple of rocks, but this will be fun. Woo! That was close.
And the clouds is chilling.
Alright guys, so we've been floating for about an hour and a half, and this has been really good flow. Hardly had to get up too many times, and we're just floating along. We found this really cool spot. It's got this really picturesque mountain in the background, so we decided we'd tie ourselves off and just kind of take in the scenery for a little bit.
And there we go. We got the cooking spot on the left here. To the right is the swimming area. It's roughly 10 feet deep, which is pretty good considering. The majority of the trail that we're taking along here is only about 2 feet, so it's a good swimming area. We're going to get out and get started here. Right here we have 4 tubes for 3 people. One of the tubes is used strictly for transporting everything. We have quite a few things in it, and it can hold up to a max of 210 pounds, which is pretty good. Okay, so we made it to the beach here. This is the spot that we're going to be cooking.
Alright guys, so we just made it to a place we called Party Island. It's a pretty lazy spot. The water slows down. It is the only real swimming pool on this whole kind of river route. So we're just gonna kind of camp it out here for a bit. We got the barbecue set up here, as you've seen. We're gonna throw 2 steaks on there and some hot dogs. We're gonna have a good little meal here, and then we'll get back on the river.
So to cook the Philly cheesesteak, I'm going to be using red and orange peppers,
provolone cheese, a delicious grilling steak. Then I'm going to top it all together on a delicious sub-style bun. All of that is going to be cooked on this Coleman grill. I don't recommend cooking vegetables on the Coleman grill as is. Use some tin foil. We didn't have it for this video. Now I'm going to fast forward a little bit, show you more of the cooking. So I got the steak all cooked up here. Gonna toss some provolone cheese. Get that on the bun.
Oh, I love the size of this thing. Surface.
Yeah.
Oh, you done it right too. It's got that nice pink tinge in there.
Oh yeah.
That's like the man.
Beauty.
This is big enough. We could definitely cut this in half, Steph. You want some? Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
All right, where's the spatula?
Oh sh.
Cut that in half and make a sandwich.
Look at that. We got Nathan's steak going up with the Philly cheesesteak. And she's done. At least mine is. Nathan's making his now. I'm gonna eat. Oh yeah. Not bad.
That's river food.
Yep. Cooking right on the river. We ate the steaks. Gonna head her down the river before it gets too dark. Got a trip ahead of us still. Made it to the bridge. getting out now.
And with that, we're back.
We've had a nice long day in the river. We floated for about approximately 3 hours and 20 minutes. We had a couple stops along the way. We tied our things up. We floated for a while. We took in the scenery. And then we got to our little Party Island Central where we cooked some steaks, as you're going to see in the video.
Yep.
And then we floated on for a little while after that. And now we're back in the cars. Everything's packed up and we've had a great day.
Yeah, it was a great time. Thanks for joining us, and subscribe if you liked what you saw. Also, check out some of the playlists that we have on the channel to see more of what we do here. Thanks, guys.